Hello guys, hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is how to use vidIQ for YouTube videos, complete vidIQ tutorial. So here we are on vidIQ. This software provides us the opportunity to analyze all the data on YouTube, to find keywords, to analyze our statistics and so on. So here we are on the home page. As you can see from this page here, we can easily find a lot of information about vidIQ, about the extension, blog, pricing and so on. We'll discover prices a little bit later, but I want to say that they provide us the opportunity to use it for free. Of course, they have the paid plan, but the free tools are also really helpful. So let's click on sign up with our Gmail account. As for me, this is definitely the easiest variant. And in a few seconds, we'll come to our dashboard. If you didn't connect the account, you can connect your YouTube channel to this service to analyze all the data right up here. And basically, from this page, from our dashboard, we can find some information. For example, our channel stats for last 7 days, last 30 days. Of course, these stats are not that connected to YouTube because it tries to analyze by itself. Sometimes not all the numbers are the same as on your YouTube analytics, so I suggest you to analyze all the channel stats on your YouTube definitely. So on the daily ideas, we can find the information to interact. What can we show in our future videos? So the AI of vidIQ tries to find new ideas for us, and they are related with our channel like theme. So for example, my channel is about tutorials, so we can easily find the information about some stuff like auto-generated caption on TikTok, how to use auto captions on TikTok and so on. Also, we can find the AI title recommendation here, so we can add the keywords that we want to base your titles on. It will automatically generate the title ideas. For example, let's try to input the vidIQ tutorial to view how would he recommend us to name this video, for example. So something like this: unlocking pro strategies to up your YouTube games, vidIQ tutorial, discover the secret of your YouTube success, vidIQ tutorial, and so on. Also, we can find the keyword opportunities now, so we can view all the keywords. For example, if you want to input the vidIQ, we can easily try to interact with this. So we can click on open the keywords and then just input the vidIQ, for example, to view how will it perform. So here we can find the overall score, competition, search volume, basically a lot of information. And this is from the keyword page. If you scroll to the next position, we can find all the competitors. So it depends on the information, how many information do we have, and so on. Also, we can find the top videos from our channel. So basically, the next charts are about the information which is like related to YouTube statistics. So we have to connect our YouTube channel to the vidIQ to find all of it here. On the daily LDLs folder, we can easily find the ideas we can use. So we can upgrade to boost to find more ideas if it's necessary. On the AI generator, we can AI content generator for YouTube, streamline for your video creation process, create a video about let it be vidIQ. So we can test this feature right up here. So now we can find all the information which is available. So we can find the title, find the description, find the keyword, thumbnail, background, basically video script and so on. So now vidIQ provides us the opportunity to create the videos with AI only. I think it's pretty cool. So, but you know, not everything could be replaced with AI. On the keywords, we can find all the information about different keywords we can use to interact with our in our video. So we can find the top keyword opportunities now. We can find the top search terms for our channel and so on. We can also interact with rising keywords. For example, we have a keyword I'm a surgeon, which has like 3.5 million volume search, and as you can see, it was increased for a lot of parameters right up here. Also, we can find the competitors for our channel, the subscribers, SEO stuff, and max information here. So we also have the extension for the Google Chrome. So if we want to use it, we need to use the vidIQ on our Google Chrome only. And if we'll go to extension area, we can download it. And then how can we use? Basically on our YouTube, we can find in the right top side the current analytics, so how many views per hour we have and how many views for the last like 2 days. We can also change the stats, what would we like to see, for example, like views at all, minutes watched, subscribers amount, and so on. In this case, we can also go to daily ideas from this page here, to competitors, trends, alerts, most viewed, channel audit, keyword inspector, achievements, vidIQ Academy, and so on. The other thing which is really helpful is that we can find the number of views videos gets per hour. Basically here this blue text shows out that this video is entertained return to high school, has like 7k views per hour. And moreover, if we'll click on this button here to preview the video, we can find all the stats of the video. So we can find the overview, we can find the views per hour, total views, duration, social, we can find the graph of views. So it's pretty helpful if you want to analyze some competitors to your channel or try to find some video ideas, some niches, and so on. Also, we can find the information about the whole channel, for example, like the total views, average daily views, channel, country, views last 30 days, subscribers amount, average daily subs last 30 days, and so on. So its information helps us to analyze all the data, and it's pretty cool as for me. Also, if you'll try to search for something, for example, let it be maybe vidIQ. For example, we can find in the right side all the information about this search word. So we can find the overall score, we have the volume mark, the competition mark. Also, we can find some information like highest views, average views, average subscribers, average age, and so on. So is it that like good to create videos about this keyword? For example, we can also find the top related opportunities like vidIQ tutorial, vidIQ en español, vidIQ vision for YouTube, and so on. And also we can find basically a lot of different stuff. Moreover, if you click on more here, we can open in keyword inspector, and here we can find more detailed information. So we can also input our own search. So for example, let it be like vidIQ, and now we can find the search volume of vidIQ and so on. And basically this is all of the interface of vidIQ I'm using. And now let's try to discover the paid plans. We can find that we have basic, pro, boost, and max. We can use for free, $7.50, $39, and $79 per month. So we can find all the differences right up here, and the differences, we have a lot of differences between different plans. For example, in features, in the amount of features we can use, like competitor tracking, for example, daily ideas, support, some features which are described here. So it's really cool that we can easily use vidIQ for free, but if you want to use it more like actively and find more information, we can use the boost version right up here. So I'll try to leave link down in the description below. If you're interested in vidIQ, you can easily use it from the link in the description. I hope guys this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.